Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSC Tech. In today's video, I will explain how you can find out if your Huawei's smartphone, tablet or digital device is under warranty, and if there is any warranty left, how you can check that. It's very easy and straightforward guide. Just watch the video till the end, and also do let us know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful. So let's move on to the video. And you will see this support icon on your main screen somewhere within your menu. Then you have to click on this section. You don't have to sign in. Remember, you don't have to sign in. You can check in without signing in to your Huawei's account. Here you can see the device is P30 Pro and it's still under warranty. The next bit is we can go on repair services. As you can see on the screen, due to COVID restrictions, there are two options. The first one is postal repair, send for repair if you can't go out from home, and the second one is service centers. Rating wise and city wise, they will tell you that the nearest service center is in London. If you have to change the city, you can change from here depending on your country. Here we have a couple of tabs which will give you the overall description of how this thing works. You have a live chat option. Then you have postal service, register repair, spare parts, manuals, benefits, and Huawei store and maintenance mode. Guys, remember, in order to avail your warranty claim, you don't have to provide the purchase receipt. For example, if you purchase one of these devices from a private seller, then you can use their built-in warranty card, which you can see here. Warranty policy. It's very easy and straightforward. This page basically, let me show you again, that if you go into my section and then you click on warranty policy, this page will explain the number of months or the time frame which is covering your hardware warranty. For mobile is 24 months, tablets 24 months, laptop is 12 months, and smartwatch that goes for 24, wristband 24, home and broadband, routers and other equipment 24, power banks 12 months, wireless charger 6 months, car charger 6 months, portable speaker 3, and so on. The list is there. Same goes for the laptop. You have different policy wording here which you can go through. Now we come back again, and as you can see that we are not signed in on this page. You don't have to necessarily sign in order to avail the warranty wording from this page. Settings shows you the update option, and here we have the e-warranty card, which tells you that warranty is valid from 22nd of July 2019 with the serial number. And now the final bit, that you can see how long the warranty will void. You can count from that day, or you can count using this tab. Actually, this will basically give you the end date on warranty. Estimated expiry date is 23rd of July 2021. So this is how you can check warranty on all your Huawei smartphones. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. If this video helped you out in any way, please do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.